Hi, I'm Sajal. I'm from Rama Group. I'm the Vice President Retail and Design from Rama Group. So, what makes us stand out is our landscape, and I think that's how we integrate retail design considerations into mixed-use developments. So, one of our biggest projects that is in development phase right now, it's Rama World, and it is 100-acre worth of land project. It has a lot of different things. So, there's commercial shops. There's a lot of F&B stores, and what we've done is that we've integrated landscape into everything that's involved. You can see a fountain as soon as you enter. We collaborate with a lot of international landscape designers, and we try to give people a very green lifestyle, a very healthy lifestyle, especially since after COVID. People are a lot into green spaces. We want a breath of fresh air every time we step out. And that's what we give to the people who live in our residential colonies. I remember one of our colonies that I lived in. It's called Swarnabhumi. And during COVID, people didn't feel the need to step out because they had everything available to them. They had a lot of land to walk around, pathways to walk around. And how we also bring in sustainability is by connecting people to our roots, by connecting people to faith. So each of our developments have temples in them, so people can be connected. Even our commercial property, which is Rama World, it also has a temple right when you enter. So yeah, that's how we focus on sustainability. Other than that, we also have facilities for rainwater harvesting. We have solar panel parkings, etc. as well. Retail spaces are public nodes. In older times, we had monuments, we had mountains, we had rivers. That's where people would assemble. People would congregate, people would talk to each other. And right now with the development like going on, cities have retail spaces that have become their public nodes. And what we try to do is that apart from it being just a retail space, we try to give people everything so that they can spend like a nice day. So again, I'll bring Rama World in. In Rama World, with the retail spaces, there's, as I mentioned, temples, there's a furniture store, there's food and beverage places, and we're also coming up with amusement parks there. So with everything, like we're making sure that when you come to our property, you get a full day experience and you're just not shopping, but you have a nice time, you get a place to sit, and with the good landscape, with the good greenery, you can sit, have a nice day. And what we also look at, so Raipur gets really hot. We use design strategies in a way that like we try to cool down. So the materials that we use, the way we incorporate landscaping into our spaces, it's done in a way that it kind of cools down, so you can also have a good outdoor experience for a while also enjoying the indoors. Yeah. So as I said, we're social developers. We're trying to give people a good lifestyle, and resilience comes with communities being stronger. And most of our residential communities, they're designed in a way people are motivated, or they're supposed to interact with each other, and that's what makes it resilient. So people build stronger lifestyles when they live in our properties. We're really excited about smart infrastructure. So we've been using energy efficient lighting, touchless systems, and intuitive wayfinding in our projects. Thank you.